Hello, everyone. Let's talk about the suitable learners today. This course is suitable for the following three types of learners. For all learners, the goal remains the same. That is to master basic Chinese and the 2,500 most frequently used Chinese characters. So basically, we have three types of learners. The first type is children from Chinese families. The second type is HSK test takers. The third type is learners not from Chinese families. Let's have a look at them together. The first category, children from overseas Chinese families who cannot understand spoken Chinese. So it's very possible their parents may also be unable to understand spoken Chinese. This is the reason their children, even they are from Chinese families, they cannot understand spoken Chinese. In this situation, our recommendation is parents are advised to accompany and assist their children in learning to speak, listen, read, and write these commonly used characters. On the other hand, if the children uh, possess self-motivation, they can also independently learn to speak, read, and write uh, Mandarin Chinese through this course. That means if the children have self-motivation, we can learn this course independently. But for most cases, our recommendation is parents could learn with children together. Okay, let's move on to the second type of learners. They are HSK test takers. First, what is the HSK? So HSK uh, is a Chinese proficiency test. Uh, so HSK is the official standardized test of Chinese language proficiency for non-native speakers. It is often compared to the TOEFL or IELTS for English. Next, let's have a look at who takes the HSK. So normally there are four categories of people. The first group is international students applying to Chinese university. I think this category is the main category who takes the HSK. The second category is job seekers needing proof of Chinese ability. The third category is language learners wanting structured goals and certification. The fourth category may be scholars and professionals requiring validation of advanced proficiency. So let's have a look at an example for the first category, international students applying to Chinese universities. This is admission requirement to Peking University or PKU. So uh, the first program is for undergraduate students admission. So that is the Chinese taught bachelor's programs. So the primary requirement is HSK level 5. The minimum score is a total score of 210 out of 300. as commonly stated as the threshold to apply for the Peking University undergraduate programs. So why HSK5? Because HSK5 indicates you have understand or you have command of 2,500 common characters and can handle most common communication tasks to follow lectures, read textbooks, and complete assignments in Chinese. Also, they have graduate admission, so that is Chinese taught masters and PhD programs. So for these graduate programs, the primary requirement is HSK level 6. So the minimum score is also 210 out of 300 for HSK 6. So this is a standardization minimum for most humanity, social sciences, and business programs. Next, let's have a look at the alignment between HSK characters and 2,500 most frequently used characters. So we do this comparison or alignment because in our course, we will mainly focus on these 2,500 most frequently used characters. So let's have a look at their relation between HSK characters and these 2,500 common characters first. So in HSK, we can see there are 6 levels normally, and for each level, the number of HSK characters are as follows. For example, level 1, HSK characters 174, level 2, 173, and the third column is the number of common characters corresponding to each HSK level. You can see, for example, for HSK level 1, there are also 174 same characters. So that means the HSK level 1 characters are all included in these commonly used Chinese characters. So we have the percentage. That means HSK characters 100% are included in these 2,500 common Chinese characters. Similarly, for HSK level 2, we can see number of HSK characters 173. And if we search these characters in the common characters, we can find 171. That means 98.8% of HSK characters are included in the 2,500 common characters. So similarly, we can analyze each level and we can get this table. So based on the table above, the characters covered in HSK levels 1 to 5 are largely consistent with 2,500 most common Chinese characters. Therefore, starting this course, focusing on the 2,500 common characters will effectively help you pass HSK levels 1 to 5. Next, let's have a look at the third category of learners. So these learners are not from Chinese families, uh, but they can speak English, uh, even though they cannot understand spoken Chinese. So these learners wish to communicate with Chinese people in Mandarin Chinese, so they can use this course to learn Mandarin Chinese based on our English instructions. Okay, today's topic is wrapped here. Thank you, everyone.